Gukinyiria riu namba ya kaunti iria cigumiirwo ni ngige yongererekeire kuma kuri 3 nginyagia kaunti 17 guku bururi-ini, arimi magithii na mbere na gutigwo magitara hathara nene thutha wa mimera yao guthukangio ni ngige ici. Gukiri uguo, thirikari unyitaniri na ruhonge rwa kurumbuania na urimi na irio ni matabanitie mathomo kuri maabitha 600 wa NYS iri ta njira ya kuhurana na ngige ici makiambiriria na kaunti cia mbere 6.
We believe that the 6 counties are largely the epicenter of the locust prevalence, and the counties are Isiolo, Turkana, Machakos, Marsabit, Garissa and Wajir.
Riboti cia uthuthuria kuma kuri ministry ya urimi cionanitie ati gicunji kia 75 harĩ 100 kia bururi nikio kirikitie kugumirwo ni ngige ici, na mathomo maya ni megutithiriria na njira nene.
Intensification of this effort will have significant effect in minimizing the threat or the spread of the invasion of desert locusts into neighboring countries, and not only in the 17 counties of Kenya.
Kuringana na gikiro kiria ngige ici irathii na mbere na guciarana na kuongerereka, cironania ugwati uria ukuriire bururi maitho matuku meguka thina uyu ungi ya kuhurana naguo tene.
If you can also translate that to the amount of food they consume, that one is going to translate to a disaster. To a what? To a disaster.
A swarm of perhaps 1 square kilometer in one day can consume enough food for 35,000 people what they eat in a day.
Mathomo maya megukorwo magitabanio thukuru-ini wa Gilgil na Yata, o thukuru igikorwo na muigana wa abitha NYS 300. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Waithira wa Gicohi.